We've brought you to downtown Palm Springs and the Kaiser Grill Restaurant. It's known for its casual yet upscale dining. They have seafood, steak, salad. They make their own pizza. And as you can see, they have one of the prettiest bar areas in the whole desert. But we've brought you here today to speak with Chef Didier. Come say hi.
Hi, Jolly.
How are you
doing? Nice to have you today.
Boy, this place is beautiful.
Yes, we had some decent remodeling. Actually, we remodeled the whole dining room from scratch. We took everything out, and it's really, like you can see, it's really a great place to be. With that, we also redid the food, and I think you're going to enjoy what we're going to do today. I'm going to do for you a seafood risotto, which include shrimp, scallops, manila clams, green lips mussels.
Let's head back to the kitchen.
Come
Go
on in,
find out his
guys.
tricks.
Today we're going to do for you a seafood risotto. I'm going to introduce the ingredient. We have garlic, onions, basil, mushroom, arborio rice, butter, saffron from Spain, grated Parmesan cheese, and for the seafood we have some nice prawns, New Zealand green mussels, clams, and sea scallops. I'm gonna start to put some oil in a pan, then some butter, so I'm not burning the butter. I'm adding the garlic, the onions, the clams, because it takes longer to cook the clams, then the mussels, the sea scallops, and the shrimp. I'm gonna deglaze with some white wine. Then I'm gonna add some chicken stock. The saffron, don't forget the saffron for the color of the risotto, it's very important. In another pan, I'm starting the same process. Oil, butter, garlic, onions, saffron, then the mushrooms, and I'm going to saute them to render the water. Add some salt and pepper. The rice, the risotto, it's very important. You're going to coat the risotto with the butter and the oil. I'm adding the basil, some white wine, chicken stock. Then I keep on mixing. I'm adding also now the cheese. Then I'm gonna finish with the cream. The cream is very important. I'm plating now, and look at that rice. Look at the risotto. It's very creamy. We're now gonna plate the risotto. Look at it, very nice. Then setting up the shellfish on top of it. It looks excellent. I'd love to eat that right now. It's a great dish for seafood lovers. I'm finishing with a touch of basil. Don't forget white truffle oil. That's going to give you a little oomph, a little punch at the end. Look at that. Isn't it marvelous?